Evaluating Algebraic Expressions. Hello smart learners! Today, let us solve a simple algebra problem step by step. Maths problem. Let us solve this algebra problem step by step. We are given two algebraic expressions. We have to subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Let us solve this step by step. Let us solve this step by step using Subtraction of Algebraic Expressions, Method 1, also called the changing signs method. Write subtraction clearly. When we subtract an expression, we change the signs of the second expression. A minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 minus 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. Now, when we subtract an expression, we change the sign of every term inside the second bracket. Next, we combine like terms. A terms, AB terms, B terms, constant terms. Now, we write the final simplified expression. The answer is 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. Here is method 2, vertical column method. This method is just like column subtraction in numbers. We are given two algebraic expressions. We have to subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Write both expressions one below the other. Arrange like terms in the same column. Now, we subtract column by column. The A terms, the AB terms, the B terms, and the constant terms. Now, we get the final simplified expression. The answer is 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. We have solved the problem using subtraction of algebraic expressions and the vertical or column method. Well done, smart learners! Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more maths learning videos.